So kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you'll wait for me. Hold me like you'll never let me go. 'Cause I'm leaving on a jet plane. How's it going, everybody? It's Caitlin here at Mechanics of Music. We are going to be singing Leavin' on a Jet Plane by John Denver today. This is a very, very good song if you are just starting on the guitar. There's only 3 chords. There's nothing too crazy and complicated. John Denver does some pretty fancy finger picking, but in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to strum it, how to have a lot of fun with it, and play it wherever you want. Campfire, party, just for yourself, with your family, or whatever. The first thing that I need you guys to do is follow the link in the description and download the chart that you can play along with me, because at the end of this video, we're gonna do a whole strum along and play along. So if you download that, it's got the lyrics, it's got the chords, it's got strumming pattern, everything you need to know to play along with the song. You can print it off and bring it with you wherever you wanna go, put it on your tablet or whatever. This song is actually in our Campfire Singalong book number 2. So if you wanna download the whole book of all kinds of songs, Beatles, Tom Petty, Bob Dylan, John Denver, Eagles, there's 20 songs in that whole book, and it is great to just have that at your next campfire sing along. So let's dive in. The chords that we need. We only need 3 chords. It's amazing. We need the G chord, and I'm gonna do the G chord with my 2 fingers here. Why? Because on my next chord will be C add 9. I'm gonna just move my first and second finger, my index and my middle finger, down by 1 string each. G chord, C add 9. Again, if you're just starting the guitar, practicing those 2 chords back and forth is such a great practice. And you're just keeping these 2 fingers planted the whole time. G, C add 9. Now, if you really want to do stretchy C, you could do stretchy C. That's not what I'm going to do in the video, but if you want to practice stretchy C, go for it. I actually think C add 9 sounds better, but I like to give you guys options. The last chord that we need is the D chord. So our ring finger actually stays exactly where it is for this 3rd chord as well. And the D chord, we're only gonna strum 5 strings for the D chord. If you wanna get a little fancy, you could add the pinky in some spots for a D sus4 chord. If you're ready for it, you'll probably see me sprinkling that in when we do the play along at the end. Now, strumming pattern, if this is your first video, you're just picking up the guitar, you can play this song with just downstrokes. And it's just really nice. People are gonna sing with you anyways. 'Cause I'm leaving on a jet plane, don't know when I'll be back again. This is a song I teach beginners, some of the first songs. This is definitely like top 5 songs. If you are ready for something a little bit more, you could try moving up to strumming pattern 4 even. Leaving on a jet plane, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. We've got a free resource on our website. It's a whole page of strumming patterns and chord changes, and it is an amazing practice resource for you guys. It's got all the strumming patterns, 1 through maybe 19, I think, is on there, and then a bunch of chord progressions that I think are really great to practice. So you can mix and match practicing all those things. I'll put a link in the little card thing and also in the description where you can download that. And this song just has so much possibility for what strumming pattern you can use. You can do pattern 1, that was pattern 4 I just did, and what I'm gonna do when I sing it at the end of this video is strumming pattern 6. This is like the holy grail of strumming patterns, you guys. Strumming pattern 6. Once you learn this, you will be a little bit brainwashed, and then you'll have trouble learning other ones after that. But this is like, you'll wake up in the middle of the night going down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Once you get it, you're gonna be so happy. It's gonna be a little tricky at first though. So here's our strumming pattern number 6. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. So 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Down, down, up, down. Strumming pattern 6, and if you want, you could add 1 more little up strum to get strumming pattern number 7. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So what I will probably do is I'll use strumming pattern 7 in the chorus, which just gives it a little more pizzazz with that last up strum, and then in the verses I'll keep strumming pattern 6, down, down, up, down. But you will see me and hear me interchange those two strumming patterns. They're almost the same, and I'm just gonna change it up just to try to give a little bit more variety in my playing. When I'm playing this solo at a gig or at a coffee shop or whatever, I'm just trying to make it interesting for my listeners. Also want to mention that John Denver plays this song in the key of G, so he has no capo, but I like to sing it a little bit higher than him, and I can't really hit all those notes that he sings. So I'm going to be playing it today with my capo on the 4th fret. So if you want to play along with me, grab your capo and put it on the 4th fret, and we're going to be in the key of B now. I think we have all the parts that we need. We've got the chords, we got some strumming pattern options. Now I'm gonna do strumming pattern 6/7, but if you guys wanna do just down strums to play along with me, that's gonna sound really, really good. Grab your capo, grab the chart, and let's play Leave It on a Jet Plane. Starting on a few bars of the G chord just to get us into it. Down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down. All my bags are packed, I'm ready to go. Standing here outside your door. Hate to wake you up to say goodbye. The dawn is breaking. thanks for playing along, everybody. I hope you guys got all those chord changes, but definitely go back and play along again if you want some more practice. This is a great song for practicing strumming patterns 6 and 7. Subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video. Share it, like it. I appreciate all that sort of stuff. Have a great rest of your day. I will see you guys in the next video. Keep strumming, keep smiling.